Hello everyone, welcome to the crib. This is the Netherlands apartment that we're staying in tonight. I'll give you a quick tour of this apartment. We're just now straight into the bedroom. As you can see, very scenes in here. Over this side, we've got a nice TV. Look at the side of this. This is the sort of entertainment size you need, nicely updated. In here, a couple drinks. Look at this. You've got everything you need. Coca-Cola, Heineken, some orange juice, some Dutch carbonated water. We've got some sparkling waters in there. But yeah, fridge, you know what I mean? Also, complimentary glasses. Look at this. Look at the shine, guys. This is how you know you're in a nice hotel when the shine. Oh gosh, oh. Right, here we are. Another, look at this. What's that for? Look at this small pint. I want half a pint. So, that's that. I'm not going to pick up the other glasses because it's quite pouring. So, wine fridge, wine cooler. Nothing cool about it. But, if it was to be on, which I can do, don't even drink, so pointless again. Anyway, so here we go. Table. Look at this. And just sit here, stare at yourself in the mirror, adjust your beanie. There you go. Over here we've got a coffee machine. I've actually used this and it's unreal. You basically get one of these, look at this. Coffee pod in here, right? Pull this lever up, he knows what he's doing. Put it in there without plastic, close that. This there, coffee's on. You know what I'm saying? Right, so yeah, that's got all your condiments. Beautiful. Here's a view. You can actually put your head out. Don't jump out there. Serenade the town. Oh, that's it. Serenade the town. Around here, we've got a beautiful setting for just sitting down. What do they say? We hope you have a pleasant stay in the Sweet Road Mill. Is that it? Road Mill?
I don't know.
Just on time, thank you Stephen for doing the bell. We've got the church round there, obviously nice views of the church. Got a nice little sitting area here with strobe light. Can you see that strobe light?
Okay, it's top light.
Should I turn that off with the...
It's not the lamp. It's not the lamp.
Yeah, I want to turn this on.
Oh.
Got a nice... Is it really strobey on the video?
Not really.
So we've got a lamp here.
Flicker.
You can just sit and just therapise yourself. That's enough. Oh, actually, they've got a nice array of different things. Unless, you know what I mean, you want to browse. Anyway, it's enough talking, more forking. This is the bed. This is where the lying happens. Look at this. It's lying to go to bed, not lying in a relationship. This is honestly... I'm 6 foot. This is how big I am.
You're 6'2".
I'm 6'2". This is the bed. Spreadage. Spreadage. Do you know what I mean? Spread it like Philly. Right. Over here we've got... Look like this. Moving roll. It's definitely good. There was something here, I reckon. Do you know what I mean? Or do you reckon they didn't put something there?
No.
Nah, maybe it's just your bags. You come in and put your bags here.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we've got wardrobes. Look at this. Come on. In here we've got dressing gowns. Look at this. Dressing gown. And it got, inside, slippers. Absolutely. You just gotta love it. All these small touches. You've even got tissue in here. Do you know what I mean? There. Hairdryer. Iron. Snazzy. You've got nice LED lit hangers. this is the main attraction though, guys. Come on. Here is the bathroom. This is sick. Look at this alien pod. Have you ever seen, this is where aliens are rebirthed. This is the pod here. We've got a lovely view of the Netherlands out there. Absolutely beautiful. That one up there is, I don't know what that one would be for, a peephole. You'd stand in there after the bath, people would see your bottom. Don't know why though. Anyway, so then come over here. Shelf. Put your stuff on here, you know what I mean? Mirror. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the beautifulest of them all? Wow. Who's that? Me. Functioning soaps. Bin. Oh, nice. But yeah, this has been the crib. Oh, in there's toilet, but just shower over here, guys. Sort of sure there's light. Shower. It is the big shower with a big waterfall shower head. Unreal. Toilets in there. Here we have some towels, and for the bath we have a lovely bath pearls, complimentary of the house. So I'm going to tell you how much all this costs. Over this side. Now you're probably thinking this is going to cost you about £1,000 a night. You know, you're in the Netherlands. There's a lot of things to do, but this is only costing 150 euros. Right, so that in the UK is about 140 something pounds, do you know what I mean? And you're getting this, you're getting everything you need. You've got the views, you've got the restaurants below us, you've got the canals, you've got a bath. When did you ever get a bath, realistically? And if you're splitting that between two people, it's not that much, do you know what I mean? Not stressful. Very nice environment, and there's lots of comfort. So yeah, I highly recommend this hotel. It's the Brass Hotel in Haarlem, the Netherlands. So if you want to check it out, go and check them out. They are a 5-star hotel. Also, come look at this. Outside, we get the key. Have I got the key? Oh, the key's here. We'll take the key. Our own little personal balcony. Look at this. So we've got a whole balcony out here. You can chill, have your Netherlands coffee, have a little chill. And it's about to rain, so I'm going to end this video. But thank you all for watching. It's been a really nice time. Oh gosh. And I will see you in my next video. So you can't come in, so bye bye.